Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Edge certificate error in Windows 10. This issue is usually caused by incorrect system time, an outdated browser, or misconfigured settings. First, fix your time and date settings by opening Date and Time from the Windows search bar. Open Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Zone Automatically is turned on, and Set Time Automatically is also enabled. Then click Sync Now. If your time is still incorrect, turn off automatic time and set it manually. Click Set the date and time manually, then click Change and enter the correct date and time. Click Change again to apply the settings. Now open Edge and check if the issue is resolved. If the error still appears, click the three dots at the top right and open Settings. Scroll down and select About Microsoft Edge. Edge will automatically check for updates. Make sure your browser is fully updated. If the problem continues, go to Reset Settings and restore them to default. Click Reset to confirm. Close Edge and reopen it. Open Edge again. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Edge certificate error by correcting system time, updating the browser, and resetting settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.